Hello students, today we will discuss second part of class 11th chapter 4 mathematical induction. These are the four questions of this chapter. The first one is prove by principle of mathematical induction 10 power 2n minus 1 plus 1 is divisible by 11. First of all, we take this statement as Pn. So this is the statement in step 1 for n is equal to 1, that is P1 10 to n is equal to 1 plus 1. This means 1 plus 1 10 power 1 is 10, so 11 which is divisible by 11. So for n is equal to 1, Pn is true. This is the first step. In second step, that is step 2, suppose that Pn is true for n is equal to k. This means Pk is equal to 10 whole power 2k minus 1, which is equal to 11d. This is the second step. In step third for n is equal to k plus 1, that is Pk plus 1 is equal to 2 into k plus 1 minus 1 plus 1. This is 2k plus 2 minus 1 plus 1. This we write as 2k plus 1. This we write 2k minus 1 plus 2. This is the important step. We write this as 2k plus 1 as 10 2k minus 1 plus 2. This means this sum is 1. We write this as 10 power 2 plus 1. This is 2k minus 1. This is 100 plus 1. From equation 1, 10 power 2k minus 1 is equal to 11d minus 1. Put this value in k plus 1. This is 100. 11d minus 1 plus 1. 1100d minus 100 plus 1. This is 1100d minus 99. We take 11 as common. So 100d minus 99, which is divisible by 11. So by principle of mathematical induction, this is true. Number second, solution of second. The statement is, we take this statement as Pn, x power 2n, y power 2n. In step 1, that is for n is equal to 1, we put n is equal to 1. This means 2 into 1, 2 into 1. This is x square minus y square. This is the identity a square minus b square. A minus b, a plus b. This means this is which is divisible by x plus y. So for n is equal to 1, Pn is true. This is the step first. In step 2, we suppose that Pn is true for n is equal to k. This means Pk is equal to 2x to the power 2k, y power 2k is equal to d into x plus y. D is for divisible. This is the question number second. In step third, we verify this result. For n is equal to k plus 1, that's Pk plus 1, x power 2 into k plus 1, k plus 1. This we write as x power 2k plus 2. This is y power 2k plus 2. This we write x power 2k into x square. This is y power 2k into y square. From equation 1 we put value of x power 2k, which is equal to d into x plus y power 2k. When we put the value here, this is x square, value of this is dx plus dy plus y power 2k, means y power 2k into y square. When we multiply this, we get dx square y, x square y power 2k, means y power 2k y square. In this we take dx as common. This becomes dx as common. That's this is the equation 1. We take here common dx square. So this is x plus y. In here we take y power 2k common. So this is x square means y square. In this we use again identity. A means b, a plus b. So in this we take common. This means this is d, x plus y is common. So this is d x square y power 2k into x minus y. This is common. So which is divisible by x plus y. Hence by principle of mathematical induction it's true. In question number 3rd, the statement is, in question 3rd, the statement is we take it as Pn 3 power 2n plus 2 means 8n means 9 is divisible by 8. So in step 1 we first take n is equal to 1, that's Pn1. This is 1 plus 2, 8 into 1 means 9. This is 2 plus 2 4, 8 means 9. 3 power is 81 means 17. This is 464. As we know 64 is divisible by 8, which is divisible by 8. So for n is equal to 1, Pn is true. This is the step 1. In step 2nd, that step 2, we suppose that Pn is true for n is equal to k. That's Pk is equal to 2k plus 2 means 8k means 9, which is equal to 8d, as this is divisible by 8. In step 3rd, for n is equal to k plus 1, that's p k plus 1. This is 2 into k plus 1 plus 2. This is 8 into k plus 1 means 9. We write it as 2k plus 2 plus 2, 8k means 8 means 9. This we write as 2k plus 2 into 3 power 2, 8k means 17. From equation 1, value of 3 power 2 k plus 1 is 8d plus 8k plus 9. We put value here. So this is 9, 3 power 2 is 9, value of this is 8k, 8d, 8k plus 9 means 8k means 17. This is 72d, this is 72k, this is 81, 8k means 17. This means 72d plus 64k plus 64. We take 8 as common. So this is 8k plus 8, which is divisible by 8. Divisible by 8. So by principle of mathematical induction, this is true. In question number 4, we take this statement as p power pn. That's for step 1. First we put for n is equal to 1, that's p1, 41 power 1, 14 power 1. 41 means 14, which is equal to 27. This is multiple of, which is multiple of 27. So for n is equal to 1, Pn is true. In step 2, we suppose that Pn is true for n is equal to k. This means Pk is equal to 41k, 14 power k equal to 72m. Here m is the multiple. In step third, for n is equal to k plus 1, here we write k plus 1 as 41 power k plus 1, 14 power k plus 1. This we write as 41 power k, 41 power 14, 14 power 1. From equation 1, the value of 14 power k is 27m plus 14 power k. We put value of 14 power k here, that is 41, 27m plus 14k, 14 into 14 power k. Multiply this, we get 41 into 14 power k, 14 into 14 power k. Take 41 common, that's 27m plus this is 41. Here we miss one term, that is 14 power k is 27m, that's 27m plus 14 power k, that's 41. This is 41 into 27m plus 41 into 14 power k, 14 into 14 power k. Here we write it as, this is 41 into 27m, take 14 power k common, that's means 14, 41 into 27m, this is 27, take 27 common, so we get this. This means this is a multiple of 27. That's for n is equal to k plus 1. This statement is true. In all these questions, the steps are common. The first step is for n is equal to 1, we true this for 27. This is 27, multiple of this. In second step, we assume that this is true for n is equal to k, that's 27m. This is the multiple. In step third, n is equal to k plus 1, we verify this statement by taking n is equal to k plus 1 and take value of 14 power k from equation 1 and put here. In all this, we take 27 as common, which is a multiple of 27. This equation is multiple of 27. So hence by principle of method induction, this statement is true. If you have any problem, then ask me at any time. Thank you.